Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths Insider. So today the main topic is about solving the linear equation using elimination method, which is very effective and most of the problem will solve using this method. So what you will learn from this video is what is elimination method to solve the pair of linear equations. In the earlier videos we have learned about the graphical method and substitution method, but this is very frequently used method during the solving of the problem. Second, we'll take step to solve the elimination method for the given variables, then important tips for the exam, and when to use this elimination method when problem is given. This is very important topic, so please watch till the end of the video. So let's get started. Now, elimination method. What is this elimination method? So earlier we have checked in the other two videos how we use the graphical method and how we use the substitution method to solve the linear equation, but here we'll be using elimination method. Now what is elimination method? So elimination method means we make the coefficients of one variable in the pair of linear equation of two variables equal. So what does this means? So we have a pair of linear equations with two variables. Now what we will try to do is that for a particular given variable we'll try to make the coefficient equal with multiplying or dividing, so that we can able to eliminate it from the equation. Suppose we have a pair of equation, say a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, equation 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 as equation 2. Now a1 and a2 are the coefficients of variable x. Here we try to eliminate x, and so we have to make the coefficients of x in both the equations to be same. Now how we are going to do that? So we are going to see that. Then what we need to do is that we need to add or subtract the equations so that the variable gets eliminated or cancelled. So from the above equation, what we can do, we have a1x plus b1y plus c1, so we are multiplying with a2, that becomes equation 3, or we are using the distributive method a1 a2x plus a2 b1y plus a2 c1, and for equation 2 we are multiplying with a1, so equation become a1 a2x plus a1 b2y plus a1 c2. Now from these two equations you can see we have make the coefficient equal by multiplying. So from these two equations we can eliminate the variable x by subtraction. So as these two become equal, they are positive. So if I subtract one equation from the another, the x will be eliminated or subtracted. So let's see. So we are subtracting from equation 4. The equation 3 is subtracted as it has been described. So subtracting, plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become. Now you can see x is eliminated. So what we are remaining? We are remaining with a single variable. So this helps to solve the other variable when we are eliminating the one variable from the equation. So here we are eliminating x by making the coefficients equal, and then we are subtracting it from the other equation. So this is simple. So by this way we are eliminating x and we are just having a single variable, that is y. Now find the value of the remaining variable. This is the third step. It's very easy now. We have got a single equation, a linear equation with one variable, and from this we can easily solve the variable y. So from the above step b, we have a1 into b2 into y minus a2 b1 into y plus a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Now we are taking from left hand side to the right hand side. The sign gets changed and we are getting y equal to a2 c1 minus a1 c2 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Very easy. So by eliminating, this is the process of elimination. So by eliminating the one variable, we are getting the other variable. So here we can easily solve for y, as this is the only variable, and we got this by eliminating the variable x in the in the step A and in step B. So these are the meaning of the elimination of the linear equations and the steps we have followed. Now let's take the example and use these steps to solve the x and y. Now there are two equations given, a pair of linear equations of two variable x and y. So one is 2x plus 3y equal to 13 and another is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Step 1. Make the coefficients equal to eliminate the variable x from the equations. So there are two equations we are denoting by eq1 and eq2. Eq stands for equation. Now A, we are multiplying equation 1 by 3. So here what we are doing, we are trying to make the coefficients of x equal for equation 1 and equation 2. So to make it equal, we are multiplying the first equation by 3 and we get 3 into 2x 6x, 3 into 3y 9y equal to 39. Now the second equation, we are multiplying equation 2 by 2. So what we get 2 times 3x plus 2y equal to, we have 2 into 12. Now using distribution method, 6x plus 4y equal to 24. So we are multiplying 2 to 3x and 2 to 2y, and this gives us 24. Now, so we first equate the coefficient of x. You can see from A and B, the coefficient of x is same, 6 and 6. So this will help us to eliminate by subtracting. Now subtract the equation that we have obtained from step 1. So now you are denoting equation 3 and equation 4 after multiplying with 3 and 2 respectively. Now subtract equation 4 from equation 3. So let us write 6x plus 9y minus 6x plus 4y equal to 39 minus 24. So now what is happening? Now we will solve for y by eliminating the variable x from the equation, as they will cancel with each other. Very simple. So let's see, 6x plus 9y, now I am opening the bracket, 6x minus 4y plus become minus, and 39 minus 24 gives us 15. So this is very important. We have to take care of the sign while solving this. So we can see plus 6x and minus 6x cancelled. We are living with 9y minus 4y equal to 15. 9y minus y is 5y equal to 15. So y equal to 15 by 4, which will give us 3. So easy. So the value of y is 3. So step 3. So as we have got the value of y, now we can incorporate this value of y in any of the equations. Now we'll find the value of y by putting the value of x, by putting the value of y that we have got from step 2. So putting the value of y, which is equal to 3, which you have got it, to in the equation 1. So earlier we have denoted by equation 1. So 2x plus 3y equal to 13. Now 2x plus 3 into 3 equal to 13. In place of y, we are putting 3. Or what we will getting, 2x plus 9 equal to 13. Now moving 9 from left hand side to right hand side, it become minus. And we are having 2x is equal to 13 minus 9, which is 4, or x becomes to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So it is so easy, the method of elimination, where we can able to solve both the variables x and y. So the final answer, solving the pair of linear equations are x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Very easy. Follow the steps, you will get into the correct result. Important tips for exam. Number 1, always multiply both the sides correctly. So we have to why we are multiplying? To equate the coefficient. You can take any variable, either you want to eliminate x or you want to eliminate y. So consider those coefficients, or eliminate one variable from the equations. Be careful while subtracting, especially with the signs. So take care of the sign when you are subtracting, and write the steps properly as I have shown you. Write the steps which will help you to reduce the mistake solving this kind of problems, mainly this elimination method, and choose the variable which is easier to eliminate. So we have to choose the variable which are easier to eliminate. That depends on the coefficients. So follow these methods. It will be easy to solve the problem during exam. Now, when to use this elimination methods? It's a very important point, because we have already learned graphical method, substitution method. Now, when we should use this kind of this elimination method? When the linear equations are given, pair of linear equation. Now, elimination method is best when the coefficients are small. So we have the equations, we have smaller coefficients of x and y, then use this method. When the variables can be made equal easily, we can able to easily make the coefficient equal, and equation look symmetrical. Now let's take an example and try to validate these three important point. Example. The above case, the example that you have taken, 2x plus 3y equal to 13 and 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Just we are eliminating x. What are the coefficient 2 and 3? These coefficients are small, so they are 2 and 3. So we can able to use this elimination method. Number B point, variables can be made equal easily. How? This can be made equal easily by multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2, so that when you are multiplying 3 with the first one becomes 6x, the second one becomes 6s. Very simple, easy to multiply. So again we can able to use the elimination method. Point number third, equation looks symmetry in terms of the coefficient. If you see the first one 2 3 and below one is 3 2, it's almost like a mirror image. So if this kind of nature is there of the equations, we will be using elimination method. Simple. Now let's quickly revise what we have learned so far. What is elimination method? As we have seen, we are eliminating one variable and solving for the other. How to eliminate one variable to solve for the other? That also we have seen by equating the coefficients and subtracting. Step by step solving the variable for the given equations, we have seen with an example. And finally, when to use this elimination method, that also we have explained in the last part. So in the next video, we're going to learn a new method which is called cross multiplication method to solve the linear equations with two variables. Hope students you have enjoyed this video and you have liked this video, and apply this. If you like this, please share with your friends, subscribe it. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.